How to do velocity on Capcut. First of all, open the Capcut application. Make a new project and add your clip. Select clip and press add. Play the video and delete the ending. Now click on the clip and select speed. Select normal and make it to 0.4043. Click on make it smoother. Select better quality and select the tick. Clip may take some time. Smooth slow motion applied. Now export your video. Click Done. Make a new project and select the video you recently saved. Delete the ending again. Now add your sound. Don't forget to mute the video original sound. You can cut the sound if you need. Now click on Beats. Select Add Beat option and select Auto Generate. It makes too much beats sometime. Wind your view of the project using 2 fingers. Split the clip on yellow dot. Select the clip and speed up the speed. Now split on next yellow dot. Don't speed up now. Make another split on another clip and speed up the speed. Cut the extra audio and delete it. Now play the full video. Play again. Click on the video. You see a motion blur option. Use setting blur 100 and blend 12 and times twice the motion blur was applying on video. Play the video. Now it should look smoother. Go back and see the video in saved project. Select the video. Click on arrow at top right corner. The video is ready to share. That's all from today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an upload.